God, what are you two doing? Brown one's a female, coloured one's a male. Superb fairy wrens. Looks beautiful. A beautiful bird. They seem to be shitting everywhere. Just imagine you evolved from dinosaurs. And that red bird's back. Oh yeah, the red bird's back. No. Oh my God, this birdie looks so horny. Come on, birdie, come on, please love me all the time. No love, please don't love me all the time. Ooh, nice ass. Oh my God, your ass is like grease. Ooh, look, spotted parlor-dale. There you go, what a cup of tea. Now these ones dig holes in the ground. That is their nest. There's one there. Jump, hoppity 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 hop. No. Seems like the grassland birds are doing fine here. And these two are still going. Sorry, you can't steal my car. Leave my car alone. Hope you got a license to drive though. There's something going on here. This is a bit fishy. Maybe these birds are planning an attack. The attack of the small birds. Ooh, they attack my card and they attack me. Please don't hurt me, birdie. I don't want to die. Please don't. No.